Let's look out for 3 agribusinesses you can start with 500,000 naira in Nigeria. 500,000 naira is about $330. 3 agribusinesses you can get into with 500,000 naira and you're good to go. Number 1, rabbit farming. I'll put this one at the top because this business, this farming is highly underrated. 500,000 is too much because if we look at okay, maybe if we include the cage, construction of cage, and maybe getting some bags of pellets, then we can estimate even around 300,000, because all you need is just 2 rabbits breeding pairs and you're good to go. 2 rabbit breeding pairs is less than 100,000 naira. And let's talk about the cage. Now, those 2 rabbits in 1 year can give you over or about 20 breeding pairs. Yes, 20. And the good thing about this is there's an alternative to their feeding. So you can feed pellets, the one that it was well structured for them, and you can also go organic. Watermelon, fruits from the leftovers you've taken, you can do with grass, lemongrass, and so on, and you feed them and they will be fine. They will still come out well while giving you less stress, less capital intensive, because you don't have to spend a lot of money on feeding or taking care of them. And then the care, maintenance, very easy. So rabbit is number 1 on the list. With 500,000 you will get yourself about 10, or let's not go so far. Yes, you can get yourself 10 breeding pairs and you start feeding. Get yourself some bags of pellets and you're good to go. Exactly. You double your money in multiple folds. Number 2 is snail farming. Now, I know a lot of people are in here, and with 500k you can get yourself some good amount of snails, then your environment and so on. And the good thing about snail farming is feeding is very affordable and easy. You can feed leftover watermelon and some of these things, mango, orange, and these things, and they will eat and multiply. But you have to be strategic. A lot of restaurant owners go to the markets themselves, so you're going to make it easy for them. Network, get as many contacts as you can, and make sure you are the best option. You are the person who would be solving that issue of snails in their restaurants. So take this seriously and you're good to go. Then number 3 on the list is poultry. And when I talk about poultry, I'm going to be picking just 2 birds: broilers and layers. Broilers for the size, layers for the eggs, and also for selling. Now, unlike the rabbit and snail, this one we don't have an alternative. You have to spend a lot of money feeding them. I wouldn't want to mention catfish. Yes, it is highly profitable, but then you need to go in with a huge number. Remember, I made a video when I visited one of the most successful catfish farmers in Nigeria, and he said the more the fish, the more the pond, the more the fishes, the more your gain. But the less number of fishes you have, the less gain you can be able to realize, at least tangible something. So we don't want to mention that, but poultry is a better option. We have Easter, we have festive periods where people get to spend a lot of money to get themselves protein. So you can come in here and be a solution, and trust me, you'll be glad you did. With just 500,000 naira, that's $330, you're good to go. I hope this video was helpful to someone out there. If it was, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, and don't forget also, if you have questions for me, make use of the comment section and I'll be glad to respond to you.